Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making just a small video as a midweek recap. So let's get started. Trades taken. The week started from 17th December, right? Monday, and this is the first trade, pound yen, 20-minute chart. This was the entry exactly at the level 43.20. That's a weekly high, and came down. It went down more because yen is also getting strong. So all yen pairs are going down, by the way. Okay, the rest of the week, Thursday, Friday, they're going to be going down. Okay, so now move on to the next trade. On the 17th, there was Euro-Aussie. Euro-Aussie, because the Aussie, I'll show you the Aussie chart, Aussie dollar chart, Aussie index. I made it like beginning of the week, the month. And it was showing that Aussie dollar will get a lot weaker, so that Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie will go up. So all the theme is long, Euro Aussie, Euro Pound, and Aussie not Euro Pound. What I'm saying, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie long, and Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, Aussie CAD, Aussie Newsy all short. That's the theme for the week. And okay, so next trade, because of the yen strength, yen pairs started to go down. And this is USD yen all the way to the downside. Pound Newsy, Aussie is getting weaker and Newsy is getting weaker. Both Asian currencies, they are getting badly weak. Euro yen, like I said, yen, all yen pairs going down. So this is on the 18th. 4 5. Okay, this is Euro CAD. Somehow, oil prices are slumping, and then it is giving a toll on the Canadian dollar, because Canada is oil produced country, and whenever oil is cheap, Canadian dollar gets weaker. Simple as that. Rule of thumb. This is Euro Aussie again. I said long. This was a long, and I had a long here somewhere, and when I was going to make a chart, right, I mistakenly closed it. So no use to make a chart then. But luckily I found another entry, even though it didn't touch all the way to the these lines, this yellow or black line. But since the theme was, like I said, long, I made an entry here, and it went up again. And this is okay. So with the Aussie weakness, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie going up, Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, wherever Aussie is on the left hand side, they're going down. So this was a trade for, earlier, and this is today, not today, on the 18th. And again, Aussie getting weaker, Aussie on the right hand side, long. Here's an entry, and this is the entry right here. My order is here. SL move to here, and 190 pip all the way to the upside, and keep going. And I think this is it. Okay, so these are the trades. 6-7 trades so far from Monday to Wednesday, and still the theme is. Let me show you why this Pound Aussie and Euro Aussie going up that fast. I made a chart of actually. See, this is Aussie weekly chart, Aussie index chart, and it went up from here to here, and I said we're gonna drop from there to here. Okay, so Aussie gonna get weaker. This is December 2nd, and so far this chart is right here. See this, how drastically it's dropping. Okay, the trend is to the downside, is dropping fast, and that's what's happening. It's Aussie, all Aussie pairs are moving. Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, Aussie on the right hand side, they're flying to the upside. Aussie USD, Aussie Yen, Aussie CAD, Aussie Newsy, Aussie Franc, all going down. Wherever Aussie on the left hand side. That's how it works. Okay, and that's what I teach in my webinars. So you want to trade like that, you want to control the market, you want to learn and be master of it, join my group. Go on my website, join, and become a part of this group, and start trading like we are doing. Okay. Trades like that, worthwhile, right? Learning this system. By the way, this is the same. Pound Aussie gave me, no, not Pound Aussie, I think Pound Newsy or something was like 190 pip. No, Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie dropping and gave me 190 pip to the short side last week. and now going up. This pair is a monster. Pound Aussie, Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, Euro-Aussie, Pound Yen. These pairs, they move a lot. So you know, it's better to move, you know, trade and learn these pairs and trade these pairs, because if you are right, you can, you know, easily 150 200 pip trades, not a problem. Okay, even this is a slow time in December, this is what's happening here. So this is it for now. Like I said, if you like it, go on my website, subscribe, and start trading. Oh, the weekend is coming. You can, you know, get the system, you know, open the chart, set up your charts like this, and it's a little bit of work to do. Okay, and once you set up everything, you're good to go. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Let me get out of here.